Welcome back. Today we're creating a happy first day of school tag, perfect for parents to give to teachers. And since these are super popular right now, it's a great opportunity to list them in your Etsy shop and catch those back to school shoppers. I've already selected this design from our stock templates, so let's start customizing it. First, I'm going to turn on my bleed guide so we can design with printing in mind. To do this, go to File, then Settings, and check Show Bleed. This faint border shows the safe printing area, which helps make sure important text and graphics stay inside, and backgrounds or illustrations extend far enough for a perfect edge. I'll start by removing all the summer-themed illustrations to make room for our school design. Then I'll delete the text that says, "I hope you." Our main text will be, "Happy First Day of School." To do this, I'll swap the word summer for happy. Now, let's make it colorful. I'll select each letter and choose a different bright color so it really pops. Once that's ready, I'll duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Then I'll change the text to say "school" and repeat the multicolor process. Next, I'll replace "Have a great" with "First Day of" and change the font to Handley. Now, let's add a sweet message. I'll go to Text, choose Add Paragraph Text, and type, "I'm so happy that you're my teacher." I'll set this and the sign off to the Handley font as well, so everything feels cohesive. Lastly, I'll swap "Your friend Olivia" for "Love Olivia." Before we add the final touches, I'll take a moment to double check all the text, spacing, colors, and alignment. Now for some cute details, I'll go to Elements, click on Illustrations, and type in "pencil." This one with the smiley face is adorable. I'll add it in, adjust the size, and make sure it goes all the way into the bleed area so it prints perfectly without any white edges. And there we have it, a back-to-school tag that parents will love giving and teachers will adore receiving. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. We post new tutorials and digital seller tips every week.